it's Krisha again, and for today's video we're going to talk about this one question that I've been seeing everywhere, and I thought it's about time that we address it. So this one question is whether boards really affect your CUET marks, or to what extent boards marks matter in front of CUET marks. So we'll be getting into that. I'll be telling you what the kind of mindset with which I gave boards and CUET and how did that help me, and do boards really impact CUET. So let's get into it. So one thing that everyone says is that for CUET, if two candidates get the same amount of marks, boards marks usually are the tiebreaker for all of these admission procedures. But now the question comes in for a person who comes from, say, ISC board or ICSC board. So the baseline completely becomes different. So that is why when people say that it is used as a tiebreaker, essentially I don't think it really matters a lot, because when you have candidates from CBSE, ISC, ICSE and all the other kind of boards, the baseline completely becomes different, and using that as a tiebreaker does not really make any sense. So saying this from personal experience, I've seen a lot of people who did not score that well in boards. Like they got like around 80 to 90% in boards, which is a good score, but like they scored like between 80 to 90%, but at the same time their CUET scores were brilliant. For example, they might have scored 750 plus. So it does not really matter if your board score is less. What you need to focus now on is CUET. So for example, even though I had 99%, did that really impact my CUET marks? In terms of the mindset, yes. What I used to think was, if I do so well in boards, of course my CUET would go great, right? But this is the kind of mindset that you should not have. If you go in for your CUET exam with this mindset, you will not score well. So I think what's really important is the CUET marks. So CUET marks, basically, if you score really well in your CUET exams and don't score that good in your board exams, it does not really matter, because as long as you have a good CUET score, it will get you into a good college because you'd have a good merit score, right? So that is how much board will impact your CUET marks. But yes, boards as a whole will impact your CUET more, because of course the syllabus is entirely the same, and as said in the previous video, for all the other boards, ICSE, ISC, and you'll have to IB, all of you will have to cover the entire CBSE syllabus again. So for you guys it will be a tad more difficult, but at the same time I'll share my personal experience. So for me, sociology was something that I was very confident in. Like it was a subject that I was like, I'm gonna get a good score in this. However, I did score really good in my boards. However, that is where I fumbled in CUET, because I was like, since my board concepts are already in place, I did not revise it again for CUET. So that is what you shouldn't do after your board marks come out, or even if people say that, oh, board marks will impact your CUET, blah blah blah, and if you're not gonna get good marks, you won't get into a good college, all of that. Don't listen to them. Let me tell you, your prime focus right now is CUET. So give your all for CUET, and don't think about whatever happened in the boards. Whatever happened has happened, it's now in the past. CUET will determine whether you'll get into a good college or not. So focus on that. Focus on revising everything that you read during your boards. Don't be overconfident that since I did good in boards or well in boards, I'll get a good score in CUET. So focus on that, and I think that that's it for how much boards really impact your CUET. So yeah, subscribe, like, share and comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.